Hey friends, this is Atif. Hope you're well and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. On a weekly time frame chart, Bitcoin has once again dropped at the lower bands of the Bollinger Band. At the same time, it is also testing this quite long-term uptrend line support of this channel. By the way, this is the second week that it is testing this support and also testing this level of $56,500. That was the lowest price of the month of May 2024, and still it is moving above this level of support. And after that, the next key support will be here at $49,000. At the same time, you can see that the Bollinger Band indicator, the blue line of the Bollinger Band indicator is about to hit the support as well. And in today's video, we will analyze this indicator and this move of Bitcoin as well. And I would also like to show you this super trend indicator on the 7 days time frame chart. That is one of the best indicator to determine or measure the bull run of Bitcoin. You can see whenever it turns green, Bitcoin starts long-term bull runs, and whenever it turns red, then long-term bearish trend starts. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video description I've shared. And if you would like to see how my trading signals work, then I've also shared the link for the trading signal report in the video's description. You just need to open that report. And if you would like to check or verify any trading signal, like this, the trade setup for IO tax, you just need to click on the link for the trade setup, and it will take you to the trading view chart. And on this chart, you can see when I shared this signal, for example, this trade setup I shared on 9th of May 2024. And you can also watch the complete trade setup as well. Like this was the buying zone and the sell target zone and the stop loss. And in order to see how the price line moved after sharing this signal, you need to click this button. And after that, it will show you how the price line moved up from the buying zone and reached the sell target zone. Now, let me to take you to the live chart. And first of all, let me to show you this Bollinger Bands. And here I have also placed the Bollinger Bands width indicator as well. Right now, you can see that the Bollinger Bands is once again squeezed on this 7 days time frame chart. We have broken down the basis of the Bollinger Band, this blue line that was working as support, and now it can work as a resistance. However, it is dropped down at the lower bands of the Bollinger Band. So far, Bollinger Bands is not moved to the downside. However, it is squeezed now. And whenever it's squeezed, that is a big indication or a signal that soon Bitcoin can start another move to the upside or to the downside. Like in this situation, when it was getting squeezing, then first we had a big move to the downside, but after getting bounced from the support of this Bollinger Bands, the price then pumped very well, and then we had a very, very massive rally. Same was happened here. When it was getting squeezing, it was dropped down at the support of the Bollinger Bands, and after that we had a big move to the upside. Right now it is once again squeezing again. We have broken down the basis of the Bollinger Bands, and we are moving, the Bitcoin is moving at the lower bands of the Bollinger Bands. If it will start moving to the downside, the Bollinger Bands, then it can start a big move to the downside. However, there can be still a probability that we may see another move to the upside, because we have so many support levels here. We have the support of the lower bands of the Bollinger Band. We have the support of $56,500. And we also have this quite long-term support of up channel as well. At the same time, the Bollinger Band's width indicator, the blue line in the Bollinger Band's width indicator, is about to hit this floor. That is the bottom or support of this Bollinger Band's width indicator. That is this green line. Whenever you can see that it touches the green line, and if the price line is touching this lower bands of the Bollinger Bands, then you can see whenever this blue line starts another move to the upside, then price line follow that signal and starts the next rallies to the upside. And for example, if this blue line will starting moving to the upside, then we may see another move to the upside. Therefore, we will need to keep an eye on this blue line of the Bollinger Band's width indicator on this weekly time frame chart. Now, if we take a look at this super trend indicator, then you can see that this is, by the way, very, very nice indicator. Whenever it turns green on this weekly time frame chart and the price then crosses it up, then a long-term bull run starts. And you can see that it was happening here. It was also happening here as well. And before that, it was also happened in the previous bull runs as well. Like it was happened here in the month of July 2015 when it was turned green. Then you can see we had a big bull run. When it was turned red, then we had a big bearish trend. Then again, it broke it out here in April 2019. But here we had an exceptional COVID crash in 2020, in March 2020. Therefore, for a while, it turned red. But after that, this bull run was continued. And finally, we broke it down here, and a long-term bearish trend was started, and now it is again turned green, and we have another bull run. And right now you can see that we are again moved down very close to the support of this super trend. At the same time, stochastic has entered the oversold zone, and we are about to receive a bull cross, like this blue line is about to cross up the orange line. So far, this slow line or orange line did not enter the oversold zone. However, it is possible that after this bull cross, we may see another pump to the upside, because during the bull run, it happens that whenever stochastic enters the oversold zone and turns bullish, then price line starts the next rallies to the upside. It was happening here, and before that it was happening here as well. And even during the bearish trends, when it enters the oversold zone, then we see some price correction during the bearish trends as well, like it was happening here. It was entered the oversold zone. We had a nice correction move. We had another nice correction move, and it was entered the oversold zone here. And when it was entered the oversold zone here, then we had another nice correction move on the weekly time frame chart, a small correction move. Therefore, this time it is possible that it may start another rally to the upside, because we are still in a bull run. However, in order to continue this massive bull run to the upside, we will still need to break out this resistance zone where the price end formed this double top. And by the way, this resistance zone starts from $69,000 and goes to $73,794. 69,000 is the highest level of the month of November 2021. That is still working as a resistance, and $73,794 is a point of rejection in the month of March 2024. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find the link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.